Classy Claws. Video today is with CJP Smashed Peach and crystal glass and some glitter that's called Peach Fizz. I think it's an NSI one that I got off eBay, so it's already mixed. Absolutely stunning. This video is probably about 11-12 minutes long, so it's not too long, and it's a really simple set, so it was very quick to do. So I did leave a bit of filing in. I obviously showed you some prep here. Well, no, not prep really, just putting on my dehydrator and then my protein bond, which I think is amazing, and no nails have fallen off. No nails have fallen off since I've started using that, I have to say. Not that they fall off me anyway, but a couple of my clients have had some issues with them falling off. So since I bought this protein bond by, oh God, who is it? Young Nails, whatever it's called. Anyway, you know what I'm like with my memory, it's so bad. Anyway, this peach is absolutely to die for. It actually looks a lot darker there than it does today, and I'm just wondering, after I'd put these on, they do look quite orange. When afterwards in the afternoon, I kind of lay in the sun for about 2 hours, and now they're really pale. So I don't know whether they faded. I don't know if anybody knows whether this stuff can fade. If you know, please let me know. I mean, they still look lovely today, but they're definitely 3 shades lighter than what they are there. So I can't remember when I put them on, were they this light or not? Anyway. These were inspired by Liz Guild. The set is almost similar, almost the same even, with 3 nails being plain Smashed Peach, 1 full glitter and 1 kind of marble-ish nail with a bit of glitter in. So enjoy, have a look. I might kind of chip in a little bit as we go along. This is the Peach Fizz. Oh my God, isn't it gorgeous? You know, my little nephew saw me today, and he's only 3, and I said, do you like Auntie Tracy's nails? And he said, oh, I like that one, the glitter one, bless him. It is absolutely stunning. It would be nice, actually, a whole set would look really nice, so who knows. It's got a lot of gold in it. It's quite iridescent as well, actually. Really pretty. So we'll just do this on this finger. And then the next one is peach, and I used some gems. I didn't film it, record it, putting the gems on. So I've got 1 opal gem and 4 gold ones. Yeah, 4 gold ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, so 5 altogether. I thought I'd put more than that, but I haven't. And they look really pretty. This peach, it's quite I know I work wet, and I've said this before, but I do go and cap all of these afterwards. But I found, especially doing the next nail, when I did the marble, oh my God, it was running all over the shop. Because I just worked way too wet, and it was, see, look at it running all down my fingers. So I have to try and catch it before it runs everywhere. I've got to stop working. Look at that. Flipping heck. Got to start working a bit drier, I think. But I tried to keep it really thin but get a good coverage, and I have to say they are really highly pigmented, so you don't really need to put loads on, I don't think. And then just go over and cap them all anyway, just to keep that colour locked in. But just don't go sunbathing in your nails, otherwise they end up a pale peach. Very pale peach. Excuse me if you can hear me texting. See what I mean about this marble? It was just running everywhere. I tried to put a little bit of glitter in as well. They're not the best marble ones, but sometimes that's the best way. Just wing it, chuck it on, see what happens. What a lovely colour. Stunning colour. So my filing technique, I've already done left side, right side and free edge, and I'm just kind of showing you how I go from the left side up to the middle. When I did my training with Essential Nails, what they get you to do is to get a black felt pan and to colour the whole practice nail in this felt tip, so when you file you can see where you've done. So when you're doing your left side to the middle, you then do your right side to the middle, and then you go down the barrel of the nail from the top to the bottom. I do a variation of that nowadays, but it's kind of the same technique. So left side, tuck in that file right into that cuticle area, and then just kind of tidying around your free edge again, because that's where your bulk is most of the time, is on your sides, I think, and that's how it can affect the whole shape if you don't get those sides right. I mean, obviously it's harder filing on yourself than it is on doing a client, but I think the shape looked okay in the end. It was harder doing my other hand, obviously, and I did film both, but I thought this was the better one to put on, to be honest. I've sped this up now. I don't file that fast. And I've got arthritis now in my fingers. The doctor told me the other day, so that kind of has an impact on what I'm doing as well, which is a shame really, because my hands get so sore. Knobbly bits on my fingers. They're just ugly fingers now. I used to have beautiful hands when I was younger. Don't get me started, otherwise I'll start bloody crying. That's old age for you. Wish I'd started doing nails years ago and didn't leave it till I was this age. But hey ho. It's a hobby, which I really, really enjoy. If I could make it as a living, I would do it all day long, every day. Arthritis permitting, obviously. But I can't afford to do that. I can't afford to pay the bills. So I do the odd friend, family member, whatever, and then do my own. But it's been a very expensive hobby, because you have to have every colour and every glitter that's ever been made. So it costs you a fortune. I think in a minute I get the e-file out, because I think I got a bit naffed off by the time I got to this middle finger. And I use the e-file around the cuticle area, just to make it nice and flush. I've obviously capped these before you've seen me file. I did say that before, didn't I? Yeah, so I have capped them in crystal glass. Hope you can see what I'm doing. I don't normally leave filing in, but because the design was so quick and easy and simple to do, I thought I'd leave it in for you today. I'm sorry I sound half asleep, it's the sun knocking me out today. If you haven't subscribed already, hit the subscribe button, I'll be well chuffed. There we go, there's the e-file. Just getting nice and neat around that cuticle area. getting, I do the underneath as well. I just take that bulk out from underneath. I hate to have big chunky fat nails underneath. I'm just going around that cuticle area. Checking from all angles, trying to get a nice shape. Looks really funny, sped up. And then the best bit, the top coat, which is my blue sky. As you know, blue sky, no wipe top coat. Look at that glitter, it's beautiful. Like a nice goldy peachy colour to it. So they're the gems that I didn't record, I don't know why, very odd. So I've got 1 opal and 4 gold ones that just pick up the gold in the glitter. Those nails definitely look darker than what I've got on today. So don't forget, if you know about the sun and nails, please message me and let me know because I'm curious. So if you like this video, click like, subscribe, all that kind of business. Any requests for anything else, I can practice on Handalina. I have to try and practice nearly every day, otherwise you don't get better, and B, you can lose your skills. I enjoyed doing these, they are absolutely stunning. I will catch you on the next one, hopefully this week sometime, and I shall see you then. Take care everyone, bye, 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 bye.